Welcome. I'm Jonko from Modec 3D EMEA team. So today let's have some brief introduction about how to improve Weld Line by molding simulation software. Okay, so here are some copyright and disclaimer. Okay, so firstly, let's take a brief look at the outline. For the first one, we will introduce the Weld Line. What is Weld Line? How it be generated? And then we will take a look at some common solutions for Weld Line, how to prevent, how to eliminate, or how to kind of like strengthen the stability of the Weld Line. And then we will have some brief summary. And at the end, we can take a look at how to use Modec 3D to export the result to FEA interface and then do some further structural analysis for the Weld Line. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so firstly, what is Weld Line? I think it's a very common defect that we usually or often observe on a product. So it's kind of like when two melt front meet one another, or when two melt front encounter each other, and when it is the reaction between them is not good enough, and they are not able to mix back to each other, and they will generate a very obvious line on the product like this. So obviously, it will cause some aesthetic issue, like the appearance issue, so which looks not that good, and so it would be not acceptable for some product. And also, it might affect the strength of the product. It will cause some like the structural weakness point on the product. Okay, so let's take a look at the picture on the right side. Okay, maybe we can use some tool to help us. Okay, so this is a rectangular geometry with a smaller rectangular hole in the middle of the geometry. So when our the polymer is injected from the melt inlet here, at the beginning the melt is flowing smoothly here, so we only have single smooth melt from here. Sorry for the ugly drawing skills. And when the melt from meet the hole here, the obstruction here, it will be separated